Rodney George, president and owner of Rango, 10 years ago. Started with a backhoe and a dump truck. Right over the course of the years, he evolved in the construction sector in Arizona. Built up to today, we're at some, I'd call it 250 pieces of heavy iron and up to 450, 500 pieces of assets, throughout the company in Rango. And that's essentially where we're at today. We have around 400 employees working in 5 different states. Currently at the states, so we're in Arizona, Illinois, Colorado, heavy in Texas, right? And then in Arizona, obviously, is our home base in Mesa.
Rodney George, the owner of Rango Inc., is a very hands-on guy. I mean, he operates every equipment he has in his operation, and if it doesn't pass his test, then there's no way that he's going to move forward with any kind of purchases. So we really invested in the product support and taking care of Rango. More technicians, more parts to really improve truck availability. And with that, we grew their fleet from about 10 A60s to over 50 A60s, and including the first 950 that was delivered into North America.
We've really focused particularly on the matching of our fleet in high volume atmosphere. So we're really looking for that optimum match, which we found in West Texas is really like the 60-ton truck with the 950 Volvo hull. It's just been an incredible match for us, and we couldn't be more pleased with the results we're finding more and more each day with that setup and that combination in this particular market in West Texas. The most important thing to Rango is service. We're in remote locations. We're scattered throughout the U.S. and in sometimes pretty challenged areas. And Arnold, as our rep in the service side, as Rango, we couldn't be more happy to be a partner with Arnold Machinery. I've been in the mining atmosphere for over 25 years, and I can honestly say that we have never had a closer, morally true valued partner than Arnold Machinery.
When it comes to Rango on factors of equipment, it really comes down to support. I mean, everybody builds a pretty good product, but it really comes down to dealer support and that relationship that they have. Obviously, Volvo's a premium product. That A60 and the 950 are great machines, but everybody's machines break down, and it matters what happens at that point. And Arnold Machinery, silver service is our core value of our company, and we take care of the customer. Whatever it takes to make them happy is what we do. We're very hands-on at Arnold Machinery, so myself being the branch manager, I've been through the operator training courses for excavators, haul trucks, wheel loaders. We actually had Rango's trainer go back to Shippensburg and do the Train the Trainer program. So now he comes out and sits with all the new operators, and I believe they spend 2 days running with them to make sure that they're all dialed in and understand the truck and know what they're supposed to be doing.
I've noticed that the other drivers that drive the other trucks, they say that it's not as smooth as the Volvo whenever they get on it. I've had fun with it. It's super awesome. This is my first time doing this kind of stuff. I just needed something different. Been waitressing all day, so it's pretty exciting.
In the right conditions, we can load our trucks in under a minute in that piece of it. So it's literally like a 15-second cycle. It's shallower digging with high volume, right? And that's what we're exactly looking for, and it's been shown to be the perfect setup for us out here in this atmosphere.
So the responsiveness that you would get pretty much is good for your production. So if you're worried about that, this is definitely the way to go. These Volvo's 950s definitely gives you a good response on it. Very quick, very accurate, non-stop. It just never would give you a hesitant or nothing like that, especially digging through these rougher materials.
I've been mining for over 25 years, and my life in the mining atmosphere has always been brand X. In my time here in the last 2 years, Volvo's really won me over. It's really proven that they belong in this part of the mining sector, and couldn't be happier with the results that we've seen.